Your journey through words begins here. Kotoba Camp.
Client.
Client.
A person who receives professional services or advice from a qualified practitioner.
接受专业服务的人，客户、委托人。
Psychologists must maintain strict confidentiality regarding their clients' personal information. Mental health professionals must establish clear boundaries with their clients to maintain therapeutic effectiveness.
Social workers often advocate for their clients' rights within complex bureaucratic systems.
Healthcare providers must consider their clients' cultural backgrounds when developing treatment plans.
Legal practitioners are bound by ethical obligations to represent their clients' interests diligently.
Clientele.
Clientele.
The clinic serves a diverse clientele from various socioeconomic backgrounds. Clientship.
Clientship. The clientship agreement outlines mutual responsibilities and expectations.
Patron, customer, consumer, beneficiary.
顾客、消费者、客户、受益人。
Provider, practitioner, professional, consultant.
提供者、职业者、专业人士、顾问。
Clinic.
Clinic.
A healthcare facility that provides outpatient medical services, diagnosis, and treatment. A practical session of medical instruction.
诊所、医疗中心、临床教学。
The university hospital operates specialized clinics for the treatment of rare genetic disorders. The research hospital established a specialized neurology clinic to study progressive neurological conditions.
Medical students gain practical experience by observing patient care in teaching clinics.
The mobile clinic provides essential healthcare services to underserved rural communities.
The dental clinic implements advanced sterilization protocols to ensure patient safety.
Clinical.
Clinical.
The clinical trials demonstrated promising results for the new treatment method. Clinicia.
Clinicia. Experienced clinicians often combine scientific knowledge with practical wisdom. Hospital, infirmary, dispensary, practice.
医院、医务室、药房、诊所。
Laboratory, classroom, office, home.
实验室、教室、办公室、家。
Closet.
Closet.
An enclosed storage space or small room with a door, typically built into a wall. A private or secluded room for study or contemplation. Private, secret, or concealed.
壁橱、储藏室、私密的房间、私密的、秘密的、隐藏的。
The ancient manuscript was discovered in a hidden closet within the monastery's library. Archaeologists uncovered a small closet containing valuable artifacts from the medieval period.
The university's rare book collection is housed in climate-controlled closets to prevent deterioration.
The professor maintained a private closet where he conducted his most sensitive experiments.
The architectural design incorporated built-in closets to maximize the efficiency of space utilization.
Closeted.
Closeted.
The historian spent years closeted with ancient documents, deciphering their meanings. Enclosure.
Enclosure. The laboratory specimen enclosure maintains precise environmental conditions. Cabinet, storage, vault, chamber.
橱柜、储藏室、保险库、密室。
Open space, exterior, outdoors, public area.
开放空间、外部、户外、公共区域。
Club.
Club.
an organized group or association of people with shared academic or scientific interests. A formal organization dedicated to scholarly pursuits. To unite or combine resources for academic or research purposes.
学术团体、研究协会、结合、联合。
The Molecular Biology Club facilitates collaborative research on gene expression mechanisms. The Quantum Physics Club explores theoretical frameworks through advanced computational modeling.
The Neuroscience Research Club integrates findings from cognitive psychology and neuroimaging studies.
The Geological Society Club conducts field studies on tectonic plate movements and mineral formations.
The Ethnomusicology Club analyzes the intersection of cultural evolution and musical traditions.
Clubbing.
Clubbing.
The clubbing of biochemistry and genetic research methodologies yielded groundbreaking discoveries. Clubhouse.
Clubhouse. The Astronomy Clubhouse houses sophisticated telescopes for celestial observations. Consortium, Institute, Academy, Symposium.
联盟、研究所、学院、研讨会。
Isolation, segregation, division, separation.
隔离、分离、分割、分开。
Clue.
Clue.
A piece of evidence or information that helps solve a problem or mystery in scientific research. An indicator that guides investigation. To provide information that helps in understanding or discovering something.
线索、提示、迹象，提供线索，给予提示。
The isotope analysis provided crucial clues about the age of geological formations. Microscopic fossils offered valuable clues about ancient marine ecosystems.
Genetic markers provide essential clues for understanding evolutionary relationships among species.
The linguistic patterns in ancient texts clued scholars into the development of early writing systems.
Neurological symptoms often clue physicians into potential underlying pathologies.
Clueless.
Clueless.
Even experienced researchers felt clueless when confronted with unprecedented quantum phenomena. Clued-eye.
Clued-eye. The research team was fully clued into the latest developments in stem cell therapy.
Indication, evidence, signal, marker.
指示、证据、信号、标记。
Obscurity, mystery, uncertainty, ambiguity.
模糊、神秘、不确定、含糊。
Collect.
Collect.
To gather items, data, or information systematically for study or analysis. To accumulate specimens or samples. Gathered or assembled together.
收集、采集、聚集。收集的、聚集的。
The researchers collected soil samples from various steps to analyze the ecosystem's health. Marine biologists systematically collected plankton specimens across different ocean depths.
The anthropologists collected oral histories from indigenous communities to document their cultural practices.
Environmental scientists collected atmospheric data to monitor changes in air quality.
The archaeologists collected artifacts that provided insights into ancient civilizations.
Collection.
Collection.
The museum's collection of prehistoric fossils represents millions of years of evolution. Collective.
Collective. The collective findings from multiple studies supported the hypothesis about climate change. Gather, accumulate, compile, assemble.
收集、积累、编纂、组装。
Disperse, scatter, distribute, disseminate.
分散、散布、分配、传播。
Color.
Color.
The property possessed by an object of producing different sensations on the eye as a result of the way it reflects or emits light, to give something a particular color or combination of colors.
颜色、色彩、注色、上色。
Neural pathways in the visual cortex process wavelengths of light to generate distinct color perceptions. Ancient civilizations extracted purple dye from marine snails to color royal garments.
Bees perceive ultraviolet colors in flowers that are invisible to human vision.
Visual artists manipulate color harmonies to evoke specific emotional responses in viewers.
Quantum physics explains how electronic transitions determine the colors of chemical compounds.
Colorful.
Colorful.
The colorful plumage of tropical birds serves multiple biological functions. Coloration.
Coloration. Protective coloration helps prey species avoid detection by predators. Hue, pigment, shade, tint.
色调、颜料、色度、色彩。
Colorless, monochrome, dull, pale.
无色的、单色的、暗淡的、苍白的。
Combine.
Combine.
To join or merge two or more things into one, to unite. A machine that harvests and threshes grain in one operation.
结合、联合、联合收割机。
Researchers combine genetic analysis with archaeological evidence to trace human migration patterns. Interdisciplinary studies combine insights from multiple academic fields to address complex problems.
Quantum mechanics and relativity theory combine to explain phenomena at both microscopic and cosmic scales.
Sociologists often combine qualitative and quantitative methodologies to gain comprehensive understanding.
Environmental scientists combine data from various sources to model climate change impacts.
Combination.
Combination.
The combination of traditional knowledge and modern technology led to breakthrough discoveries. Combinatorial.
Combinatorial. Combinatorial chemistry enables rapid testing of multiple molecular configurations. Merge, unite, integrate, synthesize.
合并、联合、整合、综合。
Separate, divide, disconnect, split.
分开、分割、断开、分裂。
Comment.
Comment.
To express an opinion or reaction. To make remarks. A verbal or written remark expressing an opinion or reaction.
评论、评价、意见、评论。
The peer reviewer commented extensively on the methodology section of the research paper. Anthropologists commented on the significance of newly discovered cultural artifacts.
The physicist's insightful comments on quantum entanglement sparked further theoretical discussions.
Scholars must carefully consider peer comments when revising their manuscripts for publication.
The art critic commented on the innovative techniques used in the contemporary exhibition.
Commentary.
Commentary.
The professor's commentary on ancient texts provided valuable historical context. Commentator.
Commentator. The political commentator offered insights into the economic implications of new policies. Remark, critique, analyze, observe.
评论、批评、分析、观察。
Ignore, disregard, overlook, neglect.
忽视、漠视、忽略、疏忽。
Count.
Count.
To determine the total number of. To include in a reckoning. The act of counting, a total number determined by counting.
计数数算，总数计数。
Biologists count the number of specimens in each sample to determine population density. Ecologists carefully count migratory bird populations to track environmental changes.
The archaeologists had to count and catalog every artifact found at the excavation site.
Sociologists count survey responses to analyze demographic trends in urban communities.
Astronomers count the frequency of stellar phenomena to understand galactic patterns.
Countable.
Countable.
Linguists distinguish between countable and uncountable nouns in language studies. Counting.
Counting. The counting of chromosomes helps scientists understand genetic inheritance patterns. Calculate, enumerate, tally, quantify.
计算、列举、计数、量化。
Estimate, approximate, guess, conjecture.
估计、近似、猜测、推测。
Well done. Take a break and remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's keep our learning motivation fresh.
The best way to predict the future is to create it. Peter Drucker.